Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert a page break in Google Docs. So let's start the video. First, open your document and then place your cursor where you want the new page to begin. Then go to the Insert from the top menu. Then go to Break from the list. Then click on Page Break. Google Docs will instantly move your cursor to the top new page. If you want a quicker method, place your cursor where you want to insert the page break. Then press Ctrl plus Enter on your keyboard. The page break will add it automatically. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.